Hello guys, and welcome back to Wonky Art. So I just wanted to have a little chat about using UV resin on large flat moulds. So as you can see here, I have a 3-tier cake stand. I have a little tiny cute one, the middle one and the top one. So when you're using petals, and particularly gold in these things, they float to the top. I don't know if you can see that, you might not be able to. I've sanded it down. So what you need to do is do it in 2 parts. So put your petals in first. You see how there's a little ridge here because I've not filled the mould. Then refill the mould later. So with the base, I decided what I wanted was not one that sat particularly 100% flat. I wanted it to curve upwards. So I used the UV resin, and what that does on the flat moulds is it draws the sides in. It actually makes it so it rocks, look. So it gives it a little bit of a lift, so the whole thing sits in the centre but has this little curve. I'm not too sure how well you can make that out on here. But obviously if this is not a desirable effect, then I wouldn't use UV resin on one of the large flat moulds. Always make sure to wear your PPE. I'm just in the final stages of curing this mould. Just a little bit more around this edge. This is the large Light. As you can see, it's quite big with the size of my hand. Gives me a nice flat surface to work from. So yeah, I think this is done now. Now, so if that's your desirable effect and you want a nice curvy, slightly curved mould, then that's what you use your UV resin for. If not, tabletop it is.